Look at those clouds, y'all. Aren't they beautiful? Now, the young lady told me that they have mulch. Now, I don't know what this is right here. Look at all that water. Can you see that gushy thing? I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I have no clue what that is, but it looks green. Oh, there's a couple of them. Ah, interesting. Oh man, you know, I'm liable to get Miss Hazel to sleep, get my few little groceries put up, and get out in the yard. It is 3 o'clock already, and I don't know how long these folks stay open, but I can always come tomorrow, which would be better for my sciatica. Much better. The little lady was busy. There were a few trucks pulled up there, so I couldn't ask her what the different piles were. It looked like, I forget the name of this stuff, but it's not concrete. Oh, here comes a big old truck. He's spraying down the road. Thank you. I appreciate it. You can wash my car for me. Okay, there he goes. He turned it off. Anyway, it'd probably be better for my sciatica not to come up here and shovel a bunch of rocks or whatever. I'll clean the back of the van up, and I got another tarp to replace the one I gave away, and I'll spread that out good and come back maybe tomorrow. I want to talk to Jerry and see if I can use any of that to build up my front yard. It needs bigger. Now see right here, I thought I could get some of these rocks right here, but they're huge. Huge. I'd have to have a crane. Ooh, there's a rounded one. I better be careful. I'm going to run right into one. Whoa, those are huge. Yeah, no. Oh, cattle guard. Yeah. I think these are too big for me to pick up. Oh, well. Y'all just have a good look at the sky, don't you? It's so beautiful. I can't wait to get home and put my pajamas on. I need to lose about 5 pounds, y'all. My pants are so tight. They're just not comfortable. But that's okay. Doesn't really matter. I'm well fed. I'm well fed. Miss Hazel, she's not happy, of course. You should have seen her in Walmart. She was wiggling and wiggling and wiggling and wiggling and wiggling. Oh, slippery as can be. I wasn't planning on going in. Oh yeah, the wood and the compost is over that other way. Okay, y'all, I know this was a very exhilarating trip, but I just had to take y'all with me. And I'll talk to you later. Bye now.